This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at Raffaello ice cream, the triple experience peach dream. Coconut flavored ice cream sauce with white peach puree and a touch of hibiscus scent from Ferrero. It is very light, this particular box. I've got the feeling there's almost nothing in here, just some plastic foil by the weight of it. Let's take a look around the box, see what this is all about. Pause if we want to take a look at the ingredients list in Swedish, Danish and Norwegian. Okay, here in Czech, and here in everything else, well, German and Finnish and French and Dutch, and that might be it already. Alright, yeah, pause if you want to take a look at the ingredients lists and the nutrition table. So, let's open up this thing. It is new, I have never tried it before. Today is my first time until we have it, the Raffaello Triple Experience Peach Dream. I am going to put the rest of these back into the freezer and I'll be back with you in just a second. Alright, I'm back at the desk, so let us open up this little package right here. See what this is all about. So we have the ice cream on its little stick. It's round. It's got edges that are round as well. Looks color-wise very similar to what it does on the packaging, at least from the outside. That is something very nice about it. But other than that, I can only say that it is quite small. Let's see what this smells of. It smells of coconut, which is to be expected from Raffaello. Yeah, just coconut and some fruity notes attached to that. So yeah, I guess without further ado, I'm going to give this a bite. Color-wise, pretty much spot on in that regard as well. So, yeah, flavor-wise, we do have little coconut shavings. We do have a white chocolate coating. Then we have the sauce with white peach puree. Let's see what that tastes of. Peach, I hope. Yeah, it does taste of peach. That is nice. Let's see what the ice cream base itself tastes of. Not all that much flavor to it, but I guess, yeah, the coconut flavor is there. Now let's take a look at the chocolate itself. I mean, there's still sauce attached to it, so yeah, nothing I can really do about that. I think we can save the cross section for another video, because this really looks like we've got everything that we want to see here in frame already. So yeah, the base ice cream, it's kind of not all that much excitement coming from that. The main player here seems to be the white chocolate coating with these little pieces in here, like coconut pieces and these other pieces. I don't really know what these other pieces are. White peach and hibiscus flavor, and a crunchy fat glaze, the icing, with coconut flavor and with granulate with peach flavor. Okay, so we have got granulate with peach flavor on the white chocolate as well. So yeah, overall quite a prominent coconut flavor. Peach flavor is definitely there, and not too little of it. The hibiscus, I don't know. I don't even know if I really know what hibiscus smells of. We're coming out of winter here, and I'm not a botany expert. So yeah, maybe it's there, maybe it isn't, I don't know. But I think I'm going to finish this off, and I'll see you with the review sheet in just a second. Alright, the consumption process is complete and we are ready to rate this with the review sheet. So there is not too much to say, I guess, from my side when it comes to criticism of this particular product. I have to say that the first impression was very decent. Scent-wise it was fine, looks-wise it was fine. Maybe it wasn't quite the sort of like wonderful figure that is presented here, but color-wise it really was spot on, and with that and the scent, that whole first impression was very decent indeed. Therefore 1 out of 1 available point here. Color-wise, as I've just mentioned, everything was just as you'd think it would be. I mean, scarily close to what it looks like on the packaging. So yeah, full points here too. Consistency and texture-wise, I don't have anything to complain about either. The base ice cream was fine in texture, so was the not milk chocolate, the white chocolate, just the fat chocolate. And I guess the peach cream, the sauce, that could have been a bit more saucy maybe. That's just one little bit of a complaint, I suppose. 0.25 points I would deduct for that at a maximum, but I'm keeping here 2 out of 2 available points because overall this was quite a decent experience, consistency and texture wise. Taste wise, I give 4.5 out of 5 available points. The coconut flavor was there, the peach flavor was there, the hibiscus scent, I guess, was there. In the end, like, there was some sort of floral scent to it, which was interesting, something that I didn't really expect here, but yeah, it's fine really, nothing to complain about. What else was there? So the granulate with the peach flavor, yeah, that was fine too, I suppose. Overall, I guess the base ice cream could have been a bit more intensely flavored of coconut, but that is also something that is debatable, because then you could say, oh, okay, when you've got so much coconut flavor, then it just starts to taste artificial or something. I don't know, but that was the only thing I can really complain about in the flavor department here. Therefore, yeah, overall, still a staggering, fantastic 4.5 out of 5 available points here. Theme realization-wise, also not much to complain about. As I said, scarily close color-wise to what it looks like on the packaging. That was almost eerie, yeah. So 1 out of 1 available points here. The only thing to complain about is maybe the shape of it a little bit, but I'm not really willing to deduct proper points for that. In total, we therefore have a 9.5 out of 10 for the Raffaello Triple Experience Peach Dream. And I think this is where I'm going to leave it for now. If you have had this before, feel free to let me know in the comment section what you think about it. For me personally, this is not really my kind of thing. I'm not a huge fan of these like almost yogurty style ice creams. It feels sometimes with these like fruit sauces and stuff. Aside from, for example, when you've got like lemon sauce, that's fine, but everything else is already dangerous territory for me. So this is maybe also a reason why I have given a very positive rating, because I certainly do not want to deduct points for something that's just not really my favorite thing about ice cream. Yeah, I'm really giving them the benefit of the doubt sometimes with some of these products. So yeah, but if you like this, let me know. If you don't like this, also let me know. And yeah, on that, I think if you've got a question or a bit of suggestion, leave it in the comment section down below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then.